everybody, and I am back with another video today. Yes, I look like a poodle. I'm on my way to go get my hair done, and I'm so excited because, oh, I'm like, what is that? It's a crumb in my screen. Thanks, Kenny and Kelsey. Okay, so yeah, I'm on my way to go get my hair done, and I'm so excited. I am. Wait a second. Okay, y'all. So we're about to get this process sorted or whatever with the micro links. So I'm excited. Well,
You're on.
okay. Two cameras. What's up? Recording. Say hey, Dad.
Hey, boo.
So I'm excited, and we got some color going on.
I am.
Oh yeah.
One thing about it, when they say
No. Okay, so that's just, what is this?
this is your smoothing treatment.
Okay, so what does that do?
So, you know how when you get your hair silk pressed and then a few days later you immediately hit it and it poofs back up? You're not going to do that. It's going to stay nice and smooth and nice and straight.
Okay.
And if you want to go back to curly, when you wet your hair, to go right back to curly.
Oh, okay. So a smoothing treatment, guys. Y'all have to get this. I'm so excited.
We must be living, girl.
Stop in the shirt.
Let me hold my stomach in. No, ma'am.
I'm breaking out so bad. Oh, you want me to stay turned on? Okay, so now we're processing for, you said 20 minutes?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. So, process, trust the process, y'all. Trust it. My face is breaking out so bad. Okay, so you're leaving it in without washing it out. Why?
Because it's heat-infused, the heat-infused thermal system. So not like a keratin. Like a keratin, you put it in, you blow dry your hair, you straighten your hair, then you wash it. Not this. You put it in, you let it process, you blow dry your hair, you straighten your hair, and you keep on going. A little safer for your hair, ladies.
Okay. I thought for sure you was gonna wash it out. I'm like, okay, she's about to wash my hair out.
No, ma'am. We just blow dry it right on in, and then we're gonna still press it in. You wait till you see the result.
Wow. Okay, anything, my hair's still like moving.
Feels really soft.
Yeah.
Before your fingers do it, it's not sticky. Whoop. Don't feel heavy.
Healthy. It feels real lightweight. It doesn't feel sticky at all. Like, you know how when you put product on it and then blow dry it, you still feel like the residue on your fingers. I don't feel that. And it feels a little thicker.
It feels thicker?
Yeah. Yeah, it feels really, really good.
Ready for this silk press?
I'm ready. Okay. Let's get it silk pressed and thighs. That's what I'm talking. That's what I was about to say. Like, what is? Okay, so a silk press is just a really good flat iron,
Basically.
okay.
Essentially.
Oh, I I need to lose some weight. My face is so round.
Girl.
But I'm thick at the bottom though, so I don't know. Gotta compromise. Okay, y'all. First of all, this my hair. You can't tell me otherwise. Period. Look at that.
You're a hater.
Look at that. It's behind my ear. You can't tell me this is not my hair.
Period.
Period. It's so cute.
Ooh, like the blonde.
Yes. Look, y'all. It's lit. It's lit. You can't tell me this is not my hair. Period.
You're lit.
Yes, I'm so excited. It looks so good.
Get into this blend now.
Wrong in a few hours by the Okay, guys, look at this. It looks like it's my hair. I don't know why the camera's showing up blue. Oh, it's coming back. Yeah, so ponytail actions, looks like my hair. I'm gonna insert a video also of us playing with it, putting it in a high bun, side part, other side part, and back to the middle part. I'm so excited. Thank you, Dutchess.
You're welcome.
It's so natural. You can't tell me this is not my hair. Like what?
And Paisley is all natural.
Yes.
We just gave her a smoothing treatment to make sure her hair completely stays straight. So all my natural girls, you can get micro links too.
Yeah, I was really concerned because I was like, my hair gets poofy so fast. How is this gonna blend?
No worries, I got you, girl.
She got me. So I'm so excited, y'all. Okay, well that's the end of this little vlog because mommy's going home. Peace. I'm gonna put all her information down below in the description box.
Please come see me, ladies. I'm running a special right now.
Y'all better get on it. Atlanta, y'all know I'm not gonna steer y'all wrong with these hairstylists, so I'm gonna let y'all know the stuff is down below. Love y'all so much.